Freirich Foods has been in the meat business since 1921, when it was founded by young German sausage maker Julian Freirich in Long Island, New York. The company, now based in Salisbury, North Carolina, makes a lot of meat, from pastrami and roast beef to other specialty items. But what the company is perhaps most known for is corned beef. The family-owned business says it controls more than 40% of the markets in the New York metro and New England area. The company says more Freirich corned beef is eaten than any other brand. Well, earlier this month, the company filed for bankruptcy protection after 1.2 million pounds of corned beef went bad at a partner's cold storage facility. Freirich Foods told FreightWaves that it is the victim of, quote, temperature abuse after it lost more than $7 million in product. The company's CEO, Paul Bardanas, says Freirich took out about $7 million in credit to prepare for St. Paddy's Day. The holiday accounts for a significant portion of the company's sales. When the product went bad, the company was underwater and had to file for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. According to court documents, the company blames Americold Logistics for, quote, spoliation of product due to lack of refrigeration. Bardanas, who is a fourth-generation family member, told FreightWaves that all the company has is 1.2 million pounds of spoiled product and, quote, temperature abuse is the only thing that explains it. He says a likely, quote, dramatic event at the cold storage facility is the only explanation. The spoilage issue came to light in early March when the company started receiving complaints over foul and discolored product. Freirich conducted an internal investigation and couldn't uncover any problems with raw materials or ingredients. Freirich even shipped some products directly to customers, none of which had any problems. IAN did reach out to Americold and Freirich, but neither company immediately responded to our request for comment. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.